Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today I'm gonna show you how to do the underpainting makeup look, and this technique is the one that I love the most, so I'm gonna show you how to do. So first I got my skin prepped with some moisturizer and a little bit of sun cream. This part is optional. And next I'm gonna apply a little bit of glow, so I'm gonna use Bright Drops by Drunk Elephant all over my face. Next, I'm gonna apply my stick product for this technique. You can use liquid or any products that you like. It must be creams or liquid, of course. So I'm gonna apply blush and bronzer like this. I'm gonna apply the bronzer, creating the lifted effect. So next step is to apply the concealer, and I'm gonna use my favorite full coverage concealer of all the time, and I'm gonna apply just a small amount of product. And today I don't want to highlight, that's why I'm gonna use my own shade for concealer and not a highlighting shade. Once I place all the products in my face, I'm gonna just blend before I layer the foundation. So I'm gonna blend a little bit. It don't need to be perfect, of course. So the more natural you want the look to be in the end, more you're gonna blend before you apply the foundation. When I'm doing the underpainting technique, I absolutely love to use the products that are more pigmented and easy to blend, as you guys can see here. That's why I choose these ones to do my base first, and next I'm gonna apply the foundation on top. This is why we call it underpainting, and something that nobody tells you is that it kinda looks crazy in the beginning, but in the end it looks stunning. And especially if you are mature skin, you're gonna love this idea because it gives you the most flawless finish and glowy natural skin. Like everything you apply in your face, it looks so soft, like there's no makeup on. And even if it looks like makeup on, it kind of looks very soft and very natural, something that you're gonna love. And now that I basically finished to blend everything, I'm gonna apply my foundation. And today I chose a more sheer foundation because I really want you guys to see how it looks in the end and all the products picking through. So I'm gonna just load the brush in the foundation like this, and I'm gonna apply using dabbing motions. If you like, you can apply everything using a damp beauty blender, but today I prefer to use it like this because I feel like it gives me better results. If you like, you can use matte foundation, but here using moisturizing product makes it easy to blend. If you want to go for a matte finish, you can, of course, but you gotta work a little bit faster with the product and just let it dry. You know guys that I absolutely love matte foundations for any makeup look, but for this look specifically I prefer to go for a more moisturizing formula because it makes it easy to blend. So next, moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna apply my cream beige eyeshadow just underneath the brows and in the tear duct area using a big fluffy brush just to kind of highlight, but to keep it matte as well because I want to keep the eyes matte today. And next I'm gonna use for this look a kind of warm matte eyeshadow, and this is a light brown. I'm gonna apply using the same brush just in the outer corners of the eyes and in my crease to give me some depth in the dimension, but just a little bit because today I don't want to apply too much eyeshadow. I don't want to do many things in the eyes. For example, I just want to keep it natural, and the focus here is in my skin. So I'm gonna apply to highlight a shimmery vanilla eyeshadow just in the brow bone and a little bit in the tear duct area. And that's it for the eyes. I just finish off with mascara and falsies. I feel like I need falsies all the time because I got too much space in my eyelids. So I like to apply them even if they are small. I forgot that I applied a darker brown eyeshadow in the roots of the lashes to give me some final touches. Then I applied the falsies and mascara. And now for my lips, I'm gonna use a natural shade for my lips. So I'm gonna use a little bit darker, and I'm gonna apply just in the natural line of the lips and blend it out a little bit. I love this technique. And I'm gonna use just a pinky shimmery lip gloss. This is how it looks in the end, how soft and natural it is. I absolutely love this technique, and I hope that you love it much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.